here are more eBay packages. I'm unboxing now. I probably gotta order a few more like parts for these things. I need to put like drop out like covers for these are like holes in it. That's one to look extra professional. But right now it looks pretty good, but it'll even look better like that. They're not that expensive though. I'm gonna box the little package first. The shipping label's off. Gotta rip it out. It's a nice heavy duty like cover for a GFCI outlet. Very nice. Some label. Don't know what it goes to. Hold on. Could have used a pocket knife. Come up. 80. Just like it. It's coming off. There we go. It's just a box with the GFCI. There's knockout holes. I'm definitely use one of these for the other electrical box. That's it. Thanks for watching.